Hi, I want to show you how to record a video in 4K at 60 FPS on your Google Pixel 9a. For that, just open up your camera and switch to video mode right here on the bottom. So for that, you need to tap on this little video icon. And now we are in the video mode. Now, I want you to tap on this little icon in the upper left and find resolution. So, here you need to tap on 4K and in the section frames per second, which is FPS, select 60. Make sure that here you can see 4K Ultra HD and here you can see 60 FPS. Then just tap on the screen and tap this button to start recording. Now your videos will be the most detailed and smooth. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.